Top 5 vitamins to strengthen your legs. Imagine waking up every morning feeling like your legs are strong, steady, and full of energy. No more muscle weakness, no more painful cramps, and no more worrying about balance or falling. What if you could move through your day with confidence, whether you're walking, dancing, or just going about your routine? Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But here's the truth. It's completely achievable. As we age, it's natural for our bodies to go through changes that affect our muscle strength, bone density, and overall mobility. However, these changes don't have to be a roadblock to staying active and feeling good. The secret lies in one powerful tool: nutrition. With the right vitamins and minerals, we can keep our legs strong, our bones sturdy, and our muscles functioning at their best. In this video, we're going to uncover the top 5 vitamins that will help strengthen your legs and prevent those painful leg cramps that so many seniors struggle with. These vitamins are key to boosting muscle function, protecting bone health, and improving circulation, all of which contribute to better mobility and fewer falls. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It's the best way to support us and ensure you never miss out on our top health tips. Your like helps us keep bringing you the best, most effective advice for living your healthiest life. So go ahead, hit that button, and let's get started on this journey to stronger, healthier legs. As we age, our bodies go through several changes that can impact our muscle strength and bone density. One of the most critical factors in maintaining strong, functional legs is getting enough vitamin D. This vitamin plays a vital role in the absorption of calcium, which is essential for bone health, but it also directly impacts muscle function. For seniors, maintaining optimal vitamin D levels is more important than ever, as a deficiency can lead to weakened muscles, poor balance, and an increased risk of falls. Vitamin D helps support the muscles by enhancing protein synthesis and improving neuromuscular communication. Essentially, it acts as a fuel source for your muscle fibers, enabling them to work efficiently and contract properly. Without adequate vitamin D, the muscles in your legs can become weaker, and reaction times can slow, making it harder to maintain balance and coordination. This decline in muscle function can significantly raise the risk of injury from falls, which is one of the most common concerns for seniors. Additionally, vitamin D has been shown to reduce inflammation in muscle tissues, providing relief from chronic pain, cramps, and stiffness that many older adults experience. If you struggle with these issues, optimizing your vitamin D intake could make a noticeable difference in your leg strength and overall mobility. To ensure you get enough vitamin D, aim for regular sun exposure, 15 to 30 minutes per day, especially during the morning or late afternoon when sunlight is less harsh. Fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements are also great ways to boost your levels. Seniors, in particular, should consider getting their vitamin D levels checked regularly to avoid the hidden risks of deficiency. With sufficient vitamin D, your legs will feel stronger and your balance will improve, giving you more confidence to stay active and independent. Calcium is one of the most important minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones, and its role becomes even more critical as we age. For seniors, calcium is essential not only for bone health, but also for muscle function. Our bones naturally lose density over time, making us more prone to fractures, particularly in the legs and hips. Calcium helps strengthen bones, which reduces the risk of fractures and supports overall mobility. Without enough calcium, bones become brittle, and muscles may not work as efficiently, leading to weakness, cramps, and even instability. In addition to its well-known role in bone strength, calcium is also vital for muscle contraction. Every movement you make, from walking to standing up from a chair, requires calcium to activate your muscles. If your calcium levels are low, your muscles may struggle to contract properly, resulting in cramping, sluggish movements, and a lack of endurance. This is particularly problematic for seniors, as muscle weakness and cramping can significantly affect their ability to perform daily tasks and stay independent. The best sources of calcium include dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, but it can also be found in leafy greens like kale and bok choy, as well as fortified plant-based milks and tofu. For seniors who struggle with dairy or have issues with calcium absorption, supplements can be an effective option, especially when combined with vitamin D, which enhances calcium absorption. However, it's important not to overdo it. Excessive calcium intake, particularly from supplements, can lead to complications like kidney stones and calcium deposits in the arteries. The recommended daily intake of calcium for seniors is typically between 1,000 to 1,200 millimolar, and it's crucial to balance dietary intake with proper movement. Weight-bearing exercises, such as walking or light resistance training, help direct calcium into the bones, ensuring it is used effectively for bone strength. By maintaining proper calcium levels, seniors can reduce the risk of fractures and improve their overall mobility. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a behind-the-scenes role in supporting muscle function and overall leg health. It acts as the master regulator of muscle contractions, ensuring that your muscles contract and relax smoothly. For seniors, magnesium is especially important because it helps reduce muscle spasms, alleviate fatigue, and enhance endurance. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to common problems like leg cramps, restless leg syndrome, and muscle stiffness, issues that many older adults struggle with, especially at night. These symptoms not only cause discomfort, but can also interfere with sleep and recovery, making it harder to maintain an active lifestyle. In addition to its role in muscle function, magnesium is essential for bone health. While calcium often gets all the attention for bone strength, magnesium is equally important as it helps regulate calcium levels in the body and ensures that it is properly absorbed into the bones. Without sufficient magnesium, calcium may be deposited in soft tissues rather than bones, leading to stiffness, joint pain, and decreased mobility. Studies have shown that higher magnesium intake is linked to stronger bones and a lower risk of fractures in aging adults, making it a critical mineral for maintaining leg strength and stability. Magnesium is naturally found in a variety of foods, including leafy greens like spinach, nuts and seeds like almonds and pumpkin seeds, legumes and whole grains. For seniors who may have difficulty getting enough magnesium through diet alone, supplements can be a beneficial solution, especially forms like magnesium citrate or magnesium glycinate, which are more easily absorbed by the body. Maintaining adequate magnesium levels can have an almost immediate positive impact on leg health. Seniors who restore their magnesium intake often experience relief from leg cramps, improved muscle flexibility, and better energy levels. It also supports the nervous system, improving coordination and balance, which are crucial for reducing fall risk and maintaining independence. By ensuring you have enough magnesium in your diet, you're taking a key step toward healthier, stronger legs and a more active lifestyle. Potassium plays a critical role in muscle function and overall leg health, yet it is often overlooked when discussing vitamins and minerals essential for strength. This mineral is vital for balancing the fluids inside and outside of muscle cells, which is crucial for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Without sufficient potassium, the muscles in your legs may become prone to involuntary contractions, leading to painful muscle cramps, especially in the calves. For seniors, this can be more than just uncomfortable. It can be debilitating, affecting your ability to walk, stand, or even sleep properly. Beyond muscle function, Potassium also plays an important role in maintaining bone health. It helps to neutralize acids in the body that could otherwise contribute to bone loss, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Studies suggest that a potassium-rich diet can help slow the rate of bone loss, making it essential for seniors who want to maintain both muscle strength and bone density as they age. Common symptoms of low potassium include muscle cramps, weakness, fatigue, and tremors in the legs, all of which can make daily activities more difficult and increase the risk of falls. Potassium also helps ensure that the communication between the brain and muscles is efficient, supporting smooth and controlled movements. Without adequate potassium, seniors may struggle with walking, standing for long periods, or lifting their feet properly, leading to an overall decline in mobility. The good news is that potassium is easy to include in your diet. Foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, beans, and oranges are all rich in potassium. Even a simple baked potato with the skin can provide more potassium than a banana. For seniors who may have difficulty getting enough potassium through food, supplements are available, but it's important to monitor your intake carefully. Too much potassium, especially for individuals with kidney problems or certain medical conditions, can cause issues such as heart irregularities. By ensuring you get enough potassium in your diet, you can significantly reduce leg cramps, improve muscle function, and support stronger bones. Maintaining adequate potassium levels will not only help you feel better physically, but will also enhance your overall quality of life, keeping you active, balanced, and independent for longer. Vitamin K is often overlooked when it comes to bone health, but it plays an essential role in ensuring that both your bones and muscles function properly, particularly as you age. While calcium and vitamin D are crucial for bone strength, vitamin K acts as the critical link that helps guide calcium to the right places in the body. Without vitamin K, calcium may accumulate in soft tissues or arteries, leading to issues like stiff joints, poor circulation, and even cardiovascular problems. For seniors, this is especially important because it ensures that calcium is directed into bones, strengthening them and reducing the risk of fractures, which can be particularly dangerous for the legs and hips. But vitamin K doesn't just support bone health, it also plays a crucial role in joint health and muscle function. One of its key benefits is reducing inflammation in the joints, which can help alleviate pain and stiffness commonly experienced in older adults, especially in areas like the knees. This reduction in inflammation can be a game changer for seniors dealing with arthritis or other joint-related issues, enabling them to move more freely and comfortably. In addition to its benefits for bones and joints, vitamin K also supports muscle strength. Emerging research suggests that it plays a role in regulating calcium levels within muscle cells, ensuring proper contractions and preventing the type of uncoordinated movements that can lead to falls or instability. The best sources of vitamin K are leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, which are packed with vitamin K1, the form found in plants. For those who eat animal products, vitamin K2, another form of vitamin K, can be found in fermented foods like natto, aged cheeses, and egg yolks. Vitamin K2 is particularly beneficial because it stays active in the body longer and is even more effective at directing calcium into bones. For seniors who have difficulty absorbing vitamin K from food, supplements may be an option, but it's important to consult a healthcare provider, especially if you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, as vitamin K can interfere with these drugs. Incorporating more vitamin K into your diet can make a significant difference in your leg and joint health, keeping you more mobile, flexible, and less prone to falls or fractures. Stronger bones, better joint function, and improved muscle coordination are all within reach by ensuring you get enough of this vital nutrient. As we've seen today, the right vitamins can make all the difference when it comes to strengthening your legs, preventing painful cramps, and maintaining mobility as you age. From vitamin D's role in muscle function and balance to the bone-supporting power of calcium, these nutrients work together to keep your legs strong, stable, and free from discomfort. Adding magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K into your routine further enhances your muscle and bone health, helping you stay active and independent for longer. So don't wait for discomfort to slow you down. Make these vitamins a priority in your daily diet and feel the difference. Whether through food or supplements, ensuring your body gets the nutrients it needs will help you maintain strength, flexibility, and confidence in your legs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support allows us to bring you more valuable health tips and information. Don't miss out. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date on all the latest advice to help you live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks for watching, and take care of those legs.